Friends, colleagues, fellow travelers of this wondrous journey called life, gather close, for today we stand at the precipice of a brand new year. 2024 stretches before us, a blank canvas brimming with possibility, a symphony waiting to be composed. But let's be honest, not all of us are waltzing into this year with rose-tinted glasses. Some of you might be carrying the baggage of a rough 2023. Maybe dreams went unfulfilled, relationships dissolved, or the weight of uncertainty pressed down like a suffocating fog. I feel you. I, too, know the sting of a year that didn't quite go as planned. But here's the thing. I also know the transformative power of a fresh start. See, 6 years ago, I was clinging to the tatters of my own shattered dreams. A decade of building a career in journalism had crumbled in the face of industry shifts and personal loss. I was adrift, lost, and drowning in self-doubt. Sound familiar? Then, on a whim, I volunteered at a community garden. Surrounded by the earthy fragrance of new life, I started tending a humble tomato patch. As I nurtured those fragile seedlings, something unexpected bloomed within me: hope. This simple act of growth reignited a spark within my soul, reminding me of my own resilience. That tomato patch became my classroom. From the whispers of the wind and the dance of the bees, I learned about resourcefulness, adaptability, and the power of nurturing. I started writing again, not about distant wars and political upheavals, but about the quiet wonder of nature's tapestry. My stories resonated, and slowly a new career sprouted from the fertile ground of my newfound perspective. Friends, I share this not to brag, but to remind you that within each of us lies the dormant power of a fresh start. The seeds of transformation might be buried under layers of disappointment or fear, but they're there, waiting for the right conditions to bloom. So, how do we cultivate those seeds in 2024? Here are a few tips, gleaned from my own journey of starting fresh. 1. Embrace reflection, not regret. Instead of dwelling on past failures, use them as stepping stones. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? What do I need to let go of to move forward? 2. Nurture your passions. What sparks joy in your soul? Make time for it, even if it seems insignificant. Those sparks are the embers of your new flame. 3. Connect with your community. We are not meant to navigate life alone. Find your tribe, people who inspire and support you on your journey. 4. Practice gratitude. Even amidst challenges, there are blessings to be counted. Find the silver lining, the moments of joy, and let them fuel your optimism. 5. Take small intentional steps. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your new life. Celebrate small wins and trust the process. Friends, this year doesn't have to be an uphill battle. You can choose to make it a year of rediscovery, a year where you bloom anew, start small, nurture your passions, and embrace the power of a fresh start. Remember, even the mightiest oak began as a single determined seed. So, let 2024 be the year you plant your own seeds of transformation. Let it be the year you rewrite your narrative, blossom, and reach for the sun. Go forth, dear friends, and make it a year to remember. And remember, even the roughest storms yield the most breathtaking sunrises. Happy 2024.
Hi! Don't forget to subscribe!